Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and in 60 seconds I'm going to show you how to make a sunny side egg with Cacio Pepe butter. All right, the newspaper just hit the front step, the coffee's brewing. You're going to take some softened butter with a little bit of cracked black pepper. You want to toast it up a little bit, you do whatever you want. You're going to throw it in that butter, give it a good mix. Then we got the Parmesan Reggiano and a little Pecorino Romano that we're going to grate with the microplane in that butter. You want it nice and fine, give it a good mix. Sourdough's going in the toaster, and while that's happening, we got 3 sunny side eggs going in the pan. Season those up, a little salt and pepper. Do it the right way. Sourdough's done. You want to use a different bread, God bless, whatever. We got that little Cacio Pepe butter going right on that bread. And then we're going to top it off with those beautiful eggs. A little bit more grated cheese. Yep, because that's what we're going to do. And then I used a little garnish, a little parsley on top. But other than that, you're going to have a great day. You know, one of people's favorite dishes is Cacio Pepe, and it's a great dish. And then you think to yourself, man, I love this so much. How could I maybe bring this into my life in a different way? Why don't you try breakfast? We made a Cacio Pepe butter, a little toast, sunny side egg. I mean, when those 3 come together, gotta tell you, it's like the triangle offense in Chicago in the 90s. And that's the beauty of Italian food. Sometimes you have it for supper, sometimes you have it for breakfast. Either way, phenomenal. And that's another recipe in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.